Welcome to the future of flying, the Boeing 777X. This aircraft isn't just another jet, it's the crown jewel of modern aviation. And before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you never miss the most beautiful aircraft in the sky. At first glance, the 777X looks like the legendary 777, but look closer, those massive folding wingtips are an engineering marvel, allowing this giant to fit into standard airport gates while still delivering unmatched fuel efficiency in the air. Step inside and you're welcomed by a cabin that feels like a luxury hotel. Business class suites with privacy doors, giant windows for breathtaking views, and lighting that adjusts with your body's natural rhythm. Oh, and did I mention? Subscribe now if you're loving this view, because we've got even more coming. In the cockpit, advanced flight systems give pilots the smoothest, safest control possible. It's not just built to fly far, it's built to fly smart. So whether you're flying from London to Sydney or New York to Dubai, the Boeing 777X turns every long-haul journey into an unforgettable experience. And if you enjoyed this tour,